Hello, what is up everybody? This is Shravan from behalf of techhole.com, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about how to make overflow carousel on Canva. So let's get started. Canva is a really powerful tool when it comes for creating high quality social media content for your Instagram or other social media platforms, and I have been using Canva since long for all the projects at my company. So just simply import your image if you're using free Canva account. Just like this, I've simply searched for PNG stair and I'm going to put it in a desired location, and now I'm going to use an element called like square so that I can use it as a mask. Let me lower down the transparency so that we can see what's behind the element. Now we are going to put it right top of the element. We have to be creating the continuous carousel, so just give me a second. Just put it a bit down so that we can group these two elements together. So click shift on the keyboard and right click on the mouse and select both the element and click group. Now these both elements are grouped together, so hit copy page and let's delete this element. And now whatever is left on the right is the element which is supposed to be on this slide. So we have to now place it in such a way that the other part will go. Now we have to ungroup both of them. Let me zoom a bit for that so that you can clearly see. So now let's ungroup both the elements and delete the mask from this slide. So hit ungroup and just select the mask and hit delete on the keyboard, and similarly we are going to do the same for this as well. So now the important part is we have to check the space. Now hit alt and you can see that there's a 38 on the top, and click alt here as well. So we don't have head space in this, so use the arrow keys on your keyboard to put it down. Now 30 is perfect. Now it seems like now both the elements are on the right place. Click this small little icon to make sure if everything is good. Like just if you can drag this thing just close to this, you will be able to see that everything is now in continuous carousel mode. Now let me zoom a bit so it must be more clear. Now if you can put, yeah, now you can see that that both the elements are now perfectly aligned to each other. That's pretty much of it. Let us know if you found it useful in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe for future videos. Till then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.